Hello guys, welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video I will show you how to calculate the area of a land with the help of blueprint or trace map. Okay, so let's start our video. First of all, we have to scan the blueprint with the help of a scanner. Okay, so after scanning you will get the paper like this. Okay, so this is the scanned copy of the blueprint. Okay, so its scale is 1:2400. Okay, and now I have saved it in the desktop. Okay, now let's bring this blueprint in this AutoCAD workspace. Okay, so what we have to do, go to the insert menu. Okay, and click on the attach. Okay, so click on attach and you will see in the desktop. Okay, so you will see in the desktop I have put the name blueprint, and click on the blueprint and open. Okay, so we have opened, and its scale was how much? 2400. 1:2400. Okay, so put here 2400. Okay, so okay, now we have to specify the corner of this blueprint. So where you have to put. Okay, so I am putting here. Okay, so click on the workspace anywhere. So this blueprint has came into the workspace of the AutoCAD. Okay, now we will calculate the area. Okay, so you can see in this map I have to calculate the area of this 249. Okay, so you can see here 249, this plot number 249. Okay, now to calculate the area of this plot, what we have to do, first of all we have to lay out this area. Okay, so to do so we have to go into home and take the line command. Okay, so I have taken the line command, and you can see the cursor is in white color and the paper is also in white color. So when we draw any line, then it will be disappear on the white screen. Okay, so we have to choose the layer. Okay, so I am taking here blue map layer so that I can draw red line. Okay, so this is the layer. If you don't have in your AutoCAD, then you can create a layer. Okay, so click on the layer properties. Okay, and just you have to see here, you have to click here new layer, and its name I am putting here blue, BLUE, blueprint. Okay, PRINT. Okay, blueprint, and I am putting its color as green. Okay, so previous was red, I am putting it red, green. Okay, so cancel it, and I am selecting here I am selecting a blueprint. Okay, so you can draw in either green or either in red. So let's put the layer in green color. Okay, I have to create a rectangular or take a line command. Okay, so draw a line along the edge of this plot. Okay, so you can see here this line is going perpendicular in y direction or in x direction, so we have to turn off this ortho mode. So I am turning off it ortho mode, and now go to this corner of the land plot, and again I am going to this corner of this plot, and again I am going to this corner of this plot. Okay, and again I am going to this corner of the plot. Okay, we have created a rectangular line along the edge of this plot. Okay, now what I am doing, first of all I am selecting this line and moving it. Okay, so move from here to here. Okay, you can see this is our plot. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to calculate the area of this plot. So what we have to do, give the command AREA and enter. Okay, so when we put area command, then this command will activated. Now enter at this corner, click on this corner, and again click at this corner and this corner. After clicking on all four corner, click enter. Okay, when we click enter, then you can see this is a 23,685 square feet above this command line. Okay, so again I am showing it has been disappeared. AREA enter, and clicking on this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, and click enter. So you can see here 23,685 square feet, and its perimeter is 648 feet. So guys, in this way we can calculate the area of this plot. Okay, so I hope you understood this method, how will we calculate the plot area from this blueprint. Okay, so guys, this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering. Thank you.